Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create dependencies on the Gantt chart here in Zoho Projects. Alright, so first up, let's just go and select a module. For example, we have here tasks. Okay, I'm just going to click on it. And once done, I'm going to go to the top right, click on list, and make sure that again, we are under Gantt view. Okay, and here, as you can see, I have a ton of dependencies. But if you want to create one, for example, in here directly from your Gantt view, you can go ahead over to the top right, click on full screen so that you'll be able to see it. Now, when we hover over a task, all right, you'll be able to see these dots besides it. Okay, so what you'll do is just click and hold onto it and move it where you want it to connect it. For example, right here. Okay, once that's done, just release, wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will be now added. All right, it says here at the top, dependency added. Okay, now if you select the task name right here, for example, we have here task 1. Let's say, for example, I wanted to add in dependency for this task. So click on view right here, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, scroll all the way down and click on dependency. There you go. And now what you'll do is just go and select the predecessor and the successor. Okay, click on add predecessor right here, select the project and the task. For example, task 2. And the successor, for example, task 3. There you go. And once that's done, it will be added on the graph as well. Okay, close this one. There you go. That is it. That is how you create dependencies on the Gantt chart here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.